If your kitchen faucet is leaking, sticking, or just driving you crazy, stop before you spend hundreds calling a plumber. Today, I'm showing you a faucet that solves the biggest homeowner headaches right out of the box: the Pfister Avalon pull-down kitchen faucet, model GT264CBS. And trust me, this thing is built like it never wants to leak again. Stick with me because I'll walk you through the real features, the pros, the cons, and whether this is the faucet that'll finally upgrade your kitchen without draining your wallet. Product features. Let's start with what you get. The Pfister Avalon is a single-handle kitchen faucet, and it comes with everything matching: a decorative side sprayer, a soap dispenser, and a clean stainless steel finish that works with most kitchen styles. It's designed for 3 or 4-hole installations, so if you're replacing an older faucet system, this fits without major modifications. You get a high arc spout, which gives you more room to wash big pots and pans, and the spout swivels a full 360 degrees for smooth maneuverability. Now here's the part I love. Pfister uses something they call the P Forever seal. It's their advanced ceramic disc valve tech that's designed to never drip. You install it once, and it's built to stay tight for life. Installation is easier too, thanks to the P Fast Connect. It snaps onto the supply lines securely and cuts install time way down. And yes, it's water efficient, meeting Cal Green standards, saving at least 20% more water compared to standard faucets. That's great for the planet and your water bill. And to top it off, Pfister backs it with a limited lifetime warranty on the finish and function. You break it, it leaks, they cover it. That's confidence. Pros and cons. All right, here's what really stands out. Built to prevent leaks thanks to the P Forever seal. Includes a side sprayer and a soap dispenser. Most brands don't give you both. High arc, full rotation design gives tons of sink clearance. Easy installation with P Fast Connect. Water saving but still strong water pressure. Lifetime warranty, rare at this price point. Classic stainless finish that hides fingerprints well. Cons, and to keep things honest, here are the limitations. Not a true pull-down faucet. The sprayer is separate, which some people prefer, but others want a single pull-down hose. Soap dispenser requires refilling from above, which can be messy if you're not careful. Stainless finish is great, but not spot-free stainless, so you may need to wipe it more often. Installation still requires 3 or 4 holes, so if you have a modern one-hole sink, you'll need a deck plate or a different model. Overall review. So, here's my take. The Pfister Avalon is an awesome upgrade for anyone who has an older multi-hole sink and wants reliability, a classic look, and a faucet system that's not going to leak or fall apart in 2 years. It's perfect for homeowners who want a full faucet package, high arc, sprayer, soap dispenser, without paying premium prices. Pfister's warranty and leak-proof design make it a long-term win. If you want something modern and minimal with a pull-down spray head, this isn't that. But if you want durability, simplicity, and full functionality, the Avalon is absolutely worth it. If you found this review helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more smart home, and check out the link in the description if you want to pick up the Pfister Avalon for your kitchen. And remember, taking control of your home and your car saves you money, builds confidence, and puts you back in the driver's seat. See you in the next one.